There are two types of excessive speeding / stunt categories: residential speeds and highway speeds. Stunt driving charges based on your speed is divided into 1, residential, speeds of 40 kilometers or more in a posted zone of under 80 kilometers, or 2, highways, speeds of 50 kilometers or more in posted zones of 80 kilometers or more. Both versions of stunt fall under Section 172 of the Highway Traffic Act and have the same potential penalties. However, there are subtle differences between the two speeding thresholds. And let's take a closer look. What is residential speeds in stunt driving? The stunt driving law has determined that any posted speed limit of under 80 kilometers is considered residential, and therefore the qualification of stunt driving falls to the 40 kilometer or more over the posted speed limit. This is the law, and there's no way to dispute this. A posted speed limit is a posted speed limit, period. This means that the following excuses don't matter when looking at the details of your case. You know, it was a construction zone, it used to be 80, but then it was changed to a lower speed. The speed all of a sudden changed to less than 80 kilometers in the middle of nowhere. I was only 10 meters away from 80 kilometers or more speed. There were no houses around. It wasn't really residential. It was rural. It was an industrial zone. The roads were empty. The law has removed all of these excuses and reasons. Bottom line, any posted speed limit under 80 kilometers is called residential. That's just the way it is. Is it worse to be caught stunt driving in a residential zone? Well, initially, there's no real significant distinction when you're first charged. Both highway stunt charges and residential speeding offenses result in that 30-day suspension of your driver's license and the impoundment of your vehicle. The variation may emerge when interacting with a prosecutor, as some courts and prosecutors view residential speeding differently than highway offenses. Bear in mind that prosecutors are often overwhelmed with work, and typically they don't have the time or the opportunity to examine the specific road where the offense took place. When they see residential, they might assume that children could have been crossing the street, which may lead them to adopt a more stringent position on your stunt charge. Stunt driving charges are taken seriously because, according to the law, they pose a threat to public safety. And this threat could be even more severe if the offense occurred on a residential road where pedestrians are likely to cross. What do I get if I get a stunt charge and I'm caught in the residential speed zone? Well, securing legal assistance is crucial because stunt driving is already a serious offense, and it becomes even more complicated when it involves the added challenge of dealing with a frustrated prosecutor due to the offense occurring in a residential speed zone. Your license is in jeopardy, with a potential suspension lasting of a minimum of 1 year. A law firm that specializes in stunt driving can provide invaluable aid, offering a complimentary consultation and devising a strategic approach to your case.